How to sign up to join Costco and get a new membership. In this video, I will show you how can you easily join Costco and get a new membership. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Google application, or you can even use any one of your web browser, and in the search bar you need to type Costco. Once you do so, simply hit the search icon. Then after, at the top, you will see the official website of Costco. Simply click on it. After that, when you scroll below, you will see a lot of plans that includes while joining Costco. Now, before choosing any one of the option, below you need to choose whether you want the membership for yourself or business membership. So here I chose the option of business membership and chose the first offer for my saving and earnings. Then after, you will be directed to a page where you need to fill out this application first. Then after that, if your payment method is completed, then you will be receiving an email for your new membership. So that's it. That is how easily you can join Costco and get a new membership. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.